unprecedented situation, the Supreme Court of India has summoned a sitting High Court judge in a case involving contempt proceedings. The judge at the center of this issue is with us, Justice Karnan, who has been summoned by the Supreme Court and was there yesterday explaining his side of the story before the Apex Court. Sir, tell us what exactly is your stance towards these contempt proceedings that have been initiated by the Supreme Court?
All honorable 7 judges have no local stand to constitute unconstitutional bench and issued suo motu contempt notice, contempt order against me, which is violating natural principle of justice and also violating Article 21 of the Constitution. Article 19(1)(g) duly permits to all citizens freedom of speech, writing, etc. I wrote a complaint against 20 corrupted judges to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, who is the first person of India. Honorable Prime Minister of India having power. He is a high competent authority, recognized person, authorized person to conduct an inquiry on my complaint. However, the Honorable judges suo motu issued contempt proceedings against me. Before that, there is no prior notice. Even I at the first instance, restrained my judicial work, administrative work, without hearing my say. Actually, there is no discussion. There is no findings that I am condemned now. But the honorable judges direct me to come and appear before them. I am also holding constitutional office. One constitutional office should not stand another constitutional office. Yesterday, I was stand before the Honorable Supreme Court of India in order to maintain the decorum, dignity, and sanctity of the court.
Sir, we believe you have also written to the Supreme Court a letter in which you have expressed your willingness to tender an unconditional apology. Tell us more about that. What exactly is that letter about?
No, in order to avoid the consequence, in order to restore my judicial work, because I am going to retire very soon. Therefore, in order to avoid further delay, I have submitted one letter. If this honorable found I am condemned, please accept and permit me to do my judicial work. That was not accepted by the Honorable Supreme Court.
That is what I was coming to. This judicial order which you have passed yesterday, do you think it has a legal locus standi, or do you have a legal backing to pass an order on Supreme Court judges?
Yes, Indian Constitution law permits. Under Article 2 of the Constitution, I can pass that order. I am also having inherent power.
And coming to your original accusations, the letter which you wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, what exactly are those accusations? What kind of corruption are you alleging in the judiciary?
All judges, 20 judges are corrupted. The administrative records available on the file of the Madras High Court Registry. On the strength of administrative file, I can establish my case against the 20 judges.
Also, sir, we hear that you had sought in-camera trial for this contempt proceeding in the Supreme Court. Can you tell us more about that?
No, I won't appear before the Honorable Judge's chamber instead of the open court. In order to maintain the decorum of the court, I won't appear before the Honorable Judges in order to give respect to the Honorable Judges. But Honorable Judges, they won't insult me in the open court. Accordingly, they sit in the open court and raise questions.
Also, yesterday you told the Supreme Court that they should restore your judicial and administrative work. If that were to happen, is that a condition you have laid to tender the unconditional apology? Or, if your judicial and administrative...
Unconditional apology does not arise.
Okay.
Why? Because, therefore, so far there is no discussion, findings that I am condemned. The suo motu contempt proceedings initiated by the 7th bench, it is not maintainable under law. Law not permits. No original jurisdiction, no cause of action, no provision. How the Honorable Judge, what relief the Honorable Judge is seeking against me? So far they did not disclose. Before raising my legal points, they rose from the dais, went on.
Justice Karnan, you also told the court before leaving yesterday that you will not be coming back to the court, and you
will appear before the Honorable 7 judges.
And you also told...
They are accused under SCST Atrocity Act, they are condemned. Therefore, I won't appear before Honorable 7 judges.
And you...
Initiate any action I purport to face.
And that is why you dared them to put you into jail.
Yes, I purport to... No, law permitted. law not permitted, they cannot put him in the jail. That's why he openly says.
So what will be your next course of action, sir?
Next course of action, I want to execute my order.
And how will you do that, sir?
Wait and see a couple of days.
Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us, Justice Karnan. So there we have it. Justice Karnan of the Calcutta High Court still defiant and still sticking to his stand that whatever he has alleged against the judiciary does not amount to contempt of court. In New Delhi with camera person Shekhar, Raghavendra Rao, WION.